Good evening, everyone. Are you blessed tonight? How's your Sabbath day? Is it very fulfilling? In behalf of Iligan City Day Central Church, I would like to thank Davao Adventist Medical Center for giving us the chance to present the talents of our young people there. May you be blessed with these talents. And I hope you can invite us next time around. Nakita na ko, they are very, very tired. No? Kaya ikan pa yesterday and until this very moment. Nagsunod yun ang kanta, or ako'y na-sense niya mula, cars na ang mga tingo. I doubt tomorrow, pagaw yun din sila. But anyway, compensate na ni sila na tomorrow. Enjoy yourself. So we are really happy sa pag-anit sa Davao. We are also blessed as naghatag ng message in you. So, thank you kayo sa inyong presence even at this very moment. Ano ba, nagpabilin. Thank you din kayo. So, can we hear some reaction from